Hello students, today we will do question number 5 of exercise 15.1. In this question, a survey is conducted among 2400 families to determine a relationship between their income level and number of vehicles in the family, and the information is given in the table. So in this table, in this column, their monthly incomes are written. In this horizontal line, number of vehicles they are having are written. So table is accordingly 10 families are there whose income is less than 7,000 and they are having 0 vehicle. 2 families are there whose monthly income is between 13 to 16,000 and they are having 0 vehicle. 27 families are there whose monthly income is between 7 to 10,000 and they are having exactly 2 vehicles. Similarly, 469 families are there whose income is 13 to 16,000 and they are having exactly 1 vehicle. Similarly, we can read each and every value of this table. Now suppose a family is chosen. Find the probability that the family chosen is, 5 parts are there in this question. First part is family is earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles. So accordingly, so 29 families are there whose monthly income is between 10 to 13,000 and families are having exactly 2 vehicles. So favorable outcomes for first part is 29. Similarly, in second part, earning rupees 16,000 or more per month and owning exactly 1 vehicle. So 579 families are there whose monthly income is 16,000 or more and they are having exactly 1 vehicle. So favorable events for second part is 579. In third part, earning less than 7,000 per month and does not have any vehicle. So there are 10 families. 10 families are such that their monthly income is less than 7,000 and they are having 0 vehicle. Fourth part, earning rupees 13 to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicles. So 25 families are such that. Fifth part is owning not more than 1 vehicle. There is no restriction of monthly income in this part. So number of families not having more than 1 vehicle is, we have to do the sum of these 2 columns. First 2 columns we have to do the total, and total is 2062. So total number of families 2400. Formula is compulsory to write. Now first part, how many number of favorable events? 29. And total families 2400. And for the second part, how many favorable events? 579. And total number of families 2400. In the third part, number of favorable events 10 and total number of families, after cancelling it is 1 by 240. And in the fourth part, there are 25 families and total number of families 2400. After cancelling it is 1 by 96. And in the fifth part, total families upon 2400. After cancelling, it is 1031 upon 1200.